Okay, I've got a bit of a problem here. I've had the engine running for a little while. I thought I'd just check the speedo because the speedo didn't seem to be working, and I noticed that the near side, passenger side front isn't turning. Now, first of all, I thought the brakes must be binding, but they weren't. Then what I did was stop it turning on the offside wheel, and this is what I get. Well, that's pretty violent. I got my DTI gauge out. I checked the shaft, the drive shaft, where it comes out of the front diff, and it's perfect. Then you can notice straight away that the drive shaft is going up and down. So either there's something wrong when I put it back together, or that CV joint is actually seized up. So I need to take it back off and check it. I didn't notice it when I did the front springs, and that is the same wheel, or yeah, the same wheel that they had where it had a broken spring. So maybe it's something to do with that as well. So I need to check that next, just to show you what's going on. Okay, so when I put some weight on this McPherson strut, so I've got a jack underneath it to jack it up, so it's like I'm having the tyres on and it's sat on the road. So should we try it like that next? Okay, so I'm going to have to take that take the suspension apart and find out what's going on with that CV. Right. I've got the wheel off. It's time to take the brake off. I'm going to take this brake off first, and then we'll be undoing the big nut on the front here, and then the link arm, and then the bottom arm and the steering. Hopefully I'll be able to pull it forward enough to get that drive shaft out, and we can try and see what's happening. So let's get cracking. Just watch your ears. Yep. That's going the right way. for that. Let's I'm afraid this is really tight due to the fact it's got Loctite on it. So just loosen them off a bit. It's well tight. Very, very tight. That was never going to come undone. Just hang it up there. Let's get that out of the way. Just bring this camera back round here. I'm just seeing if you can see. Yeah, right in the middle. First of all, I need to just take this little tab out. Take that off, just keep it out of the way, don't fall off and injure myself on it. Alright, let's come around this side. Let's come around this side, shall we? Alright. Right, now I can either take that ball joint off, that bottom ball joint off, and try and drop that down a bit, lift that up maybe, but this one's got to come off whatever happens. So I'm going to take this one off. that off. I'm going to get 10mm spanner to take that off. Alright, let's take this. This ABS sensor off. Yeah, come with me. That's it. Okay, so this is what I found. I found this one here without some needle race. This one here, the needle race is gone, and this one here's got one in it. I don't know if you can see that. That one's perfectly good. It's these two, both cream crackered, and the needle race has disappeared, nowhere to be seen. It's obviously been chewed up over the years. Can't see it inside the cup down there either, but I need to wash it all out, and I will have to get a new one, but just interesting to see where it went and what happened to it. Okay, that's it. Bye for now. Okay, so just one last little thing about this drive shaft. It's this bit here that's going to have to be replaced. It's got some needle rollers, but chances are that I'm not going to be able to get the needle rollers. As you can see down in here, you can see some of the needles that have that were in the boot. So it's going to be probably a new UJ that fits into the differential. Okay, so with this, I'm going to be bringing this video to a close. So thanks everybody again. So don't forget, I always get this wrong. That side, hit the car, subscribe. That side for the that side for the previous video, and up there for something else for all the other previous videos. Okay, so thanks again, and bye for now.